All right, everybody. In tonight's video, we're working on the John Deere here. Now, you can see I've got in my hand a block heater for this tractor. That will be getting installed. You guys will see that get installed, but you won't see that tonight. Tonight, we got a different project. We've got to replace this broken door hinge right here. And you'll see when I open it, the whole door kind of sagged right there. And we got to replace that broken, missing little gas shock right there that holds it open. Tonight is Wednesday, January, I don't know, something. There we go. All right, I got you guys on my little doofus strap here. So tonight is Wednesday, January the 16th or 17th or something, I don't know. But tomorrow night, Thursday night, I will be doing a live stream with Mike and Aaron from Our Wyoming Life. And you guys are probably going to see this video on Friday. So with that in mind, I hope you joined us for the live stream last night, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure we're going to have a great time. All right, I got you guys hooked up here. Maybe you can see where I'm going. We're going to find out anyway. I think you can. You probably can. All right. Just had a screwdriver. I might even throw this on fast forward. We'll see. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to explain to you guys. I have block heaters to install on this John Deere and on the TS115. What I have not had is time to install block heaters on this John Deere or the TS115. Now I got to be really careful here because I do not want to break this door or my foot. There's our old hinge. You can see that's broken clean off of there. There's a spacer that fell out with it. And I thought there were some other spacers that fell out too. Yep, there's one. And who knows where the rest of that crap landed. That's why they give us new ones. And yes, you can see this tractor has two flat front tires. I have not bothered trying to fix those yet. What is that? That's just something in the yard. I have not bothered trying to fix those yet. And the reason I have not bothered trying to fix those yet is because, well, I'm going to give you three guesses, and they rhyme with I don't have time. All right, how can I do this? We've got, like I told you, I'm doing the live stream with Mike and Aaron tomorrow night. I have block heaters to install on both of these tractors as soon as I can possibly make time to get that done. And the 8N that so many of you are asking about is still sitting. I'll try to show you. I don't know if you can see that far out or not, but it's still sitting over there exactly where we unloaded it. That's that broken hinge falling off, no big deal. I have not made the 8N a huge priority just yet, and I'll tell you why. The reason for that is because once I get it in the garage, right now, I simply do not have the time nor the excess funds to do a whole lot to it. I don't know what you can see or what you can't, but I'm reaching up here trying to put that bolt through that hole and start it. All right, we're going to one rubber bit that fell, two rubber bits that fell. All right, we're going to try to attach this handle to the door first and then worry about putting it on the tractor. So spacer, spacer, rubber, rubber. See that? Spacers, rubber things. this is, yeah, this is not fun. And then dropping more stuff. Rubber up there, rubber right there. Now line up our plate. Now put in the screws. I hope you guys can see this well. Crap. How's that? Better? Worse? I don't know. Comment down below and tell me. Won't do any good, but I'd like to know for the future. Now these are not adjustable. These just attach where they attach, and that is it. The adjustment for the hinges on this door is on the other side. It's just where the hinge meets the frame. So that is where we will have to tweak this thing to make sure it's seated correctly. Alright. So speaking of, let's come around and come on, baby. Cooperate with me. Alright, this is going to be interesting. I hope you guys can see, because I sure can't. That's what you want to hear the mechanic say, right? Better the mechanic than the doctor. Come on. Line up for me, baby. Is that going to do what I needed? By George, I think that did what we needed. Alright, let's get that bottom bolt in. Snug them up, and then see where the door is going to land. Hopefully they won't need much, if any, adjusting, but I doubt we get quite so fortunate. Now what we're looking at is where our where our hinge is going to meet our striker, and that is actually right on. All right. Every once in a while we get lucky. Boy, I hope it's light enough for you guys to see. Let's get our new gas shock. There it is. Anything special here? Nope. Should just snap right in place. Should. We shall see. We shall see. How do I want to do this? I will put the body up at the top, like so, and put the ram. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, come on, baby. Crud. Ugh. If we drink ourselves to death, ain't that the cowboy way to go? Tonight we ride. Oh, tonight we ride. There it is. Look at that. Door staying open just like a new one. Whew. Hey, now I can live with that. All right, guys, I'm gonna call this a night. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm packing up here shortly to hit the road to go see Mike and Aaron from Our Wyoming Life. When this video comes out Friday, the Thursday live stream will have already occurred, so I hope you enjoy it again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and more later.